Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Terminal right now. Use Spotlight or Finder. Once Terminal is open, check your macOS version with SWVers so you know compatibility. Make sure you have permissions for Homebrew and Developer Tools. Grant when prompted. Now run a few safe first commands. pwd to confirm your location, lslat to view hidden files, and mkdir testcmd to create a workspace. These first steps verify access and give you a controlled folder to practice commands and avoid accidental changes. Once you've got a test folder, install essential tools. Install Homebrew to manage packages, run the install script and then brew updates so packages are current. Make navigation natural. Use cd to change directory, ls to list, mv and cp for moving and copying, and rely on tab completion and arrow keys for history. Then install common packages like Git and Python with brew install, and verify with Git version and Python 3 version. These steps let you run development workflows and understand how commands alter files. To finish, learn to automate and personalize Terminal. Create simple shell scripts with Nano or Vim, then run chmod +x to make them executable and execute with /script. sh. Customize your environment by editing /. zshrc. Add aliases and adjust path, then source /. zshrc to apply changes immediately. If something breaks, check file permissions and path first, and use sudo only when necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: copy the exact error message and inspect the command and environment variables. Often the fix is a missing path entry or wrong file permission.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.